why this book is making hundreds of dollars every single month and this book is not making any single sale at all, although they are both in the same niche. So of course there are many factors that affect gaining sales or not, but the main thing that this book is missing is the good cover design. So look how this text is written: roaster, which in the coloring book niche, on animals coloring book niche. And look the background, so it doesn't fit, especially here in this area, the ter and the rose behind it in the almost the same color, so it's difficult to read it. It's difficult for the customer to read the title, which is the most important thing, the cover design and the title in your book, because the customer, when they search for something, they will see the picture here. The first thing from all of your work that the customer is going to see is your cover design, before your title, before your subtitle, before your description, before your categories, and before all of that thing. They are gonna see your cover design. If your cover design is like shit, they are gonna skip it to the other one. Okay, so make sure that you put effort to that thing. So the first common mistake is the bad color combination, and I'm gonna show you at the end of the video a free tool that helps you finding colors combination for free, whether it was 2 colors, 3 colors, or even 4 colors. Okay, so this book here is a very clear, basic, and farm animals coloring book. You can read it easily from the cover design, so it match with the background, with the elements in the cover design. So another example is this one. What is this, guys? What is this? what the what the what is this? 1970s word search puzzle book. Okay, I barely can read it, maybe some of you can't. It's like a challenge to read it. You don't have to make a challenge for the customer to read your cover design. Make it as easy as possible to them to read it. So thus the color of the text and the background doesn't match at all. So try to find colors that match with the background and with the elements of that book. So look the difference between this one, this cover design, and this cover design. They are in the same niche. Look how clear is this one. And this book is making good sales. It has 5 ratings. So, and this one also, very clear word search for adults, very clear and one theme cover design, and it show you that it's professional. It's made by professional person, not just a child that added some elements, random elements with random colors that doesn't match at all. So look of all of these good designs. This one is also really good, and they're making some sales, not like this one with bad cover design. Okay, with no sales, of course, because you should improve your cover design. So you don't have to be expert to know that this cover design is bad, because look how the font is matching and combining with the background. It doesn't fit out for you, or it's just me. So this one doesn't work for me. It's like someone grabbed a random background from random website with really low quality here. It's like dragging here and add Christmas word search for kids. This is really bad, to be honest. Let's be honest. So when you are making a cover design, show it to others. If you think that it's good, maybe it's good in your eyes only, not on others' eyes. So because maybe you put some effort doing this cover design, for example, then you'll say, oh, it's really good because I've spent a lot of work creating this cover design. No, no one cares about how hard did you work. They care about the outcome, about the result. Okay, so after showing yourself, and for example you said yes, this is a very good, ask your family members, ask them, are you gonna buy this book, or for example this one? Ask your friends, are you gonna buy this book or this one? Or if you don't want to ask anyone, just be or use the tool that I'm gonna show you later in the video, because it's free and you can use it. Totally, it will help you a lot. So stick around just a moment to show you more examples like this one, for example. This is not that bad as the previous ones, but only this red mark is destroying the whole cover. So why this red mark? It doesn't give you anything. So from here, when the customer is scrolling, they are gonna see, if they can, only the 80 number. What does 80 mean? 80 what? You will get 80 pound with this one, or what? What does 80 mean? And if you look inside, you can see that it's more than 80 images. So it's not clear, it doesn't match with the theme of the cover design, and the customer even can't read it. So why are you destroying your beautiful cover design? So without this mark, this cover design is really good, to be honest. Happy Farm coloring book, very clear, nice colors that the customer can read. So why did you destroy and damage the whole book and the whole sales from this mark? So pay attention here, bro. Okay. And another example, if you search for sport notebook newest arrival, so you can see that these bad cover designs. Okay, look how bad are they. Are you serious? I want to ask this guy who uploaded this book. Are you serious? What is this? What the hell are you thinking about when you create this? Why? How the you are playing with whom? How can we read this? So I know it's from the title here, it's skydiving, but it's so bad to do it like this. Make it clear. The title and the text in the cover design is the most important thing in the cover design, and the cover design is the first thing that customer are gonna see. So make it clear. And this guy didn't make only one. He made two versions of this book with only some slightly different in size. So this one is 8.5 by 11 and this one is 6 by 9. Why? And 100 pages and this one is 110. So you're spamming, you're uploading very bad cover designs. So you're destroying the customer experience. And this is what Jeff Bezos doesn't like at all on Amazon. Okay? So pay attention to that point, and please guys, if you are making covers like this, spend more time creating your covers to get sales, because if you are uploading some shit like this, you are not gonna make any sale at all. So be clear with yourself, ask yourself, be honest with yourself, and ask your family, your friends, how they think about the cover. And look, learn from others, learn from these books that are uploading and get very good ranking. So look to this one, how the color, how the title is really clear. Look to this one, very basic elements, but it match with the background, it match with everything. Look, for example, to this one, it's really good. Eat, sleep, tennis, repeat, with a very good design, and yeah, you can read it easily, and it's getting sales. Look. So it doesn't mean that the more complicated cover design, that the more sales you are gonna get. No, make it very clear and try to deliver the idea of your book and of your cover design to the customer as fast as possible, because they are gonna scroll and you will be one of hundreds of options that the customer will see. So stand out and be different and catchy. And the tool that will help you a lot finding good combination between colors is this tool from Canva. It's Color Wheel. So the link of the tool will be down in the description. It's a 100% free tool that you can use. So here some explanation about colors and different combination here. Take a look, and here is the tool that is free. So here you choose the color combination. So for example, this one, complementary 30, I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry, but it's two colors and you can match. So for example, you choose the green. What does match with the green? So this book, and you copy the code here to your designing tool, whether it was Canva and or any tool, even Photopea or Photoshop. Okay, if you want, for example, three colors, use this one. this combination, and you will get 3 colors here, or even 4 colors. Here are the 4 colors. Just change this one, and all the 4 will change, and then you copy the code here to get the exactly same degree. And here you can change the darkness and the lightness of the color from here, outer circle. And it's very smooth and easy to use tool, to be honest. So you'll find it on Canva color wheel, link in the description down.